Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start chapter 8, comparing quantities of class 7. So according to this name, we will learn that how we will compare, how we can convert the quantities. Fine. So what we'll do, first of all, will the introduction of this, how to compare and how to convert these quantities from one unit to other unit. First of all, so what we'll do here, I will tell you one line. Maybe already you are familiar with this line. The line is, King Harry died, mother didn't cry. So what we'll do here, that with the help of this line, I will try to explain to you that which one unit is greater and which one is smaller. So what we'll do here, we'll take the first letter of each word and we will consider them. For example, I will take case of king and it will be considered as kilo. It can be kilogram, kiloliter. Fine. So Harry's H will be considered as a hectare. Then died, D will be considered as deca. Then mother's M will be considered as meter. It can be meter, it can be gram. Then didn't, D will be considered as deci. And cries, C will be considered as centi. And much, M will be considered as milli. It can be millimeter, milliliter, milligram. Fine. So what we'll do here, as we know that kilo is on the first number and milli is at the end. So what it shows that kilo is the greatest unit as compared to milli. Fine. So just remember one thing, that when we're going to from greatest to smaller, so what we'll do here, from greater to smaller, we'll always multiply them. And remember one thing, that we will take 10 units on each number. Fine. On each unit we will take 10. For example, see here, kilo is here, fine, hectare, then deca, then meter. Now I am going to convert this kilogram into meter. So what is kilogram into gram? I am going to compare it. So what we will do here, 1 kilogram. So you will see here that from kilogram to gram, I am going to move there. You can see here there are 3 zeros with, we can say 1 है ना, 3 times 10 is there. So write here 1 kilometer or 1 kilogram equals to 1000 meter or gram. Fine. As I am going to compare 1 kilometer, so it will be equals to 1000 meter. Okay. It means to say here 1 kilometer equals to. So it shows that when going to from greater to smaller, we will always multiply them, because we know that 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, that will be 1000. Same here, 1 meter, I am going to take this meter and it will be equals to dash centimeter. So what we will do here, from meter to centimeter, if I will move, you can see here we are going to move for 2 steps. Now we will not consider this 10. We will count only these 2 tens. 10 tens are 100. So it means 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Fine. Then same here, I am going to take 1 centimeter. The 1 centimeter equals to dash millimeter. You can see here it is just next step to the centimeter. This 1 millimeter. So what will do, we will consider only 110. So it means to say here 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So in this way, with the help of this table, with the help of this line, you can compare then which one is equals to whom. Fine. And just remember one thing, that when you're going to move from greater to smallest, what we'll do, we'll always multiply them. Fine. With the same criteria, if I want to find out the 1 milliliter is equals to whom, so what we'll do here, we will divide them. So just remember one thing, that when you're going to move from smaller to greater side, we will always divide them. Fine. For example, see here, I am having 1 meter. 1 meter equals to dash kilometer. Meter is here, kilometer is here. So what we'll do here, you can see here, we'll not count this one 10, I will count these 3 tens. So it means to say here 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Fine. I will divide, because meter is smaller than kilometer, so I will divide them. Same here, 1 centimeter equals to dash meter. Centimeter is here, meter is here. So what we'll do here, as I am going to move from smaller to greater, so what we'll do, I am going to move 2 steps here now. So what we'll do, I will divide here with 1 with 100. So it means to say here 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meter. Then same here, 1 millimeter equals to dash centimeter. Again I am going to move further 1 step. So what we'll do here, it will be equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. So in this way, with the help of this line, you can compare the table and you can compare the units. And just remember one thing, that when you're going to compare the units, both the unit must be the same. Fine. Both must be in kilometer, both must be in kilogram, both must be in rupees. So in this way, we can compare two quantities.